Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by creating and signing into your Proton VPN account. Make sure your plan supports WireGuard. Once signed in, install the Proton VPN app on the device you game from or on a router if you play on consoles. Next, enable the WireGuard protocol for lower latency and immediately turn on the kill switch. This protects your IP if the tunnel drops. Configure basic DNS leak protection and confirm the app shows an active, secure connection before moving to server selection. Once the app is active, choose the closest Proton server to the game server to minimize hops and jitter. Proximity beats long, secure tunnels for competitive play. Then set up split tunneling so only your game traffic goes through Proton VPN. This preserves bandwidth for downloads and voice. Make sure Secure Core is off, since it adds latency. Instead, use WireGuard normally. If you see issues, switch briefly to OpenVPN for compatibility testing, and run ping and traceroute to compare results. You complete setup by launching the game and checking in-game ping and stability. Confirm your outward IP changed inside Proton's app. Make sure background downloads and streaming are stopped, and enable Router Co-S to prioritize the game device. If latency spikes, try a different nearby Proton server and retest. One key troubleshooting tip: if ping remains high, flush DNS, restart your network adapter, and reconnect. This often clears stale routes. If problems persist, contact Proton support with your.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.